Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude AI with Higgsfield MCP. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to open Claude and then you're going to click on this option over here that says Customize. From the left side bar, you're going to scroll down and click on Connectors. And then you'll be able to see various connections over here. So you're going to click on Add at the top right corner and click on Add Custom Connector. Here, you're going to give your connection a name. So I'm going to type in something like Higgsfield MCP. Now, you're going to obtain the remote MCP server URL. To get this, you're going to go to Higgsfield AI/MCP. Here, you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to see copy the Higgsfield URL. So you're going to simply click on it and it will automatically copy the MCP server URL for you. Then you're going to simply type that down over here, and you can also select some advanced settings such as OAuth client ID and OAuth client secret and click on add. Once done, you'll be able to see that it says connect. So simply click on connect and then you'll be redirected to an interface where you'll be asked to sign into your Higgsfield account. So you can either log in with your Google account, Apple, Microsoft, or email. And once done, you'll be able to see a tick sign within the status section. And that is basically how you can use Higgsfield MCP in Claude AI. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.